Hi everyone. Our life is very busy. Even we are not getting 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes for practice. In busy schedule, how we can keep ourselves fit and fine, we are also worried about it. That's why I am showing two aerobics exercise you can practice. Come on and join with me. See my toes position. Keep little gap between the two legs and see my hand movement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Exercise
18, 19,
details.
20,
2
21,
exercises.
22,
1
23,
set.
24,
1
25,
set
26,
2
27,
minutes.
28,
1
29,
exercise
30,
1
31,
minute.
32,
20
33,
second
34,
rest
35,
between
36, 37,
exercises.
38,
Total
39,
2
40,
sets.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Stand it is, slightly bend your knees, keep your hand at the back of your head and do this movement. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.